if you don't see liquidity, just know you're the liquidity.
So you see, I will put a sell, and then the market just buys. You see that? Now, people come and they share their point of views. Regardless of me holding myself, sometimes I will say that I'm not doing so well. You see, and then I pick up points because I mean it's useless to always claim to get everything right on the market. You see, I know that most people that's what they like, the idea of always being right. But it's not about that. Sometimes we must accept defeat, and yeah, this thing will beat us.
It's all about learning, learning from one another.
Yeah, it's all about learning, and I think the more traders will understand that trying to prove each other wrong, it's not going to help it's not going to help us, because at the end of the day, you will buy, someone else will sell, both parties will make profit.
Exactly.
So there's no point on that.
Yeah, the enemy here should be the market.
Exactly, not we traders
fighting each other.
You see, the people who always try to prove to be right. Sometimes we need to give them a platform to just trade. You will be surprised. They always go back and forth. They don't know what decisions to make. They always go wrong. It's just that they are so good at spotting the market that is going against, and yep, they will go with that direction. But I mean, it's like vocals. I see the big slippage to the downside, but guys, like the market, man, it's at a very strong buying point, and I feel like this is the point where the character needs to change. But now the character cannot change unless the market go hit that 4087. You see, if we can go back to 4087, the rest assured the character will definitely change. Everyone is saying they are waiting for the change of character. Me, I'm waiting for that time where the market could change the character, which is not going to be easy for the market to get there, considering the bearish reversal trend that it has. Even now, I was expecting it to go and reverse on 4065. It reversed way before that. I don't even know why it reversed before 4065. You see? So, so you guys are suggesting that maybe I'm forcing the market to do what I want.
You are actually right.
You are trading based on your strategy.
You are actually right when you say that it's sitting on an important zone there, which some people are some people are saying double bottom. Yes, it's right. It's double bottom. Even on the 4 hour, it's also a double bottom. But the market needs to do what it wants to do. There, it has to.
But at least now you have 1 minute change of character.
Oh, that's a start. You see, now I like it, my friend. You see, this 1 minute, I thought I'm only saying it alone. But
no, you are right. You're very right.
Sometimes the change of character on. Wait. Is it 1 minute? It's 3 minutes, man. Sorry. Let me go to 1 minute. Okay, exactly. You see, guys, it's a good sign that character change, but it's still weak. It's not a strong change zone. You see, because at least for it to be strong, at least the market should have returned at 4058 now. Exactly. Then I would consider that character change strong.
It's strong. It's not weak.
Yeah, actually, it's the volume is coming in now.
Yeah, you see, it's not weak because of that candle, that green candle you see. If you check on your side, how long did it take for those red candles to come down before the green one? So that right there interprets for me that these are smaller sellers or smaller take profit. Now, these guys are in with this huge candle. That's why the second one is coming in huge. You see, that's a volume candle there.
And then, Bobby, if you check now, on 15 minutes, there's some kind of liquidity grab there. And when you check that, I'm not sure if it's a proper liquidity grab there.
It's not a proper liquidity grab, but the current candle now needs to prove to you if it is.
Hence, I for me, not to get violated by gold, I always use the 5 minutes change of character. If I don't get like 5 minutes change of character, I simply don't involve myself, because 1 minute it doesn't really hold. You can get violated very quick.
Very quick and easily, yeah.
I think you are right on that one. Let me run away, guys, before.
No.
I just wanted to think it over.
Run away.
Is it
Oh, treat
So now
Inga.
we are closing. Inga.
Don't close based on what we are saying.
Yeah,
When you are trading your strategy, if your strategy is saying buy,
Follow your strategy. Inga.
don't listen to us.
Inga, don't listen to us, please.
what we know.
Run away.
Take your profit and run away.
Run away.
Take profit and run away.
Yeah,
Trust
see, even me now, my strategy is telling me. If you check, net, we have retested area like that order block on 5 minutes. It's an order block that gave us a change of character, of which yeah. So Inga, make sure you locked, my brother. Otherwise, you'll see your profit in view once.
I just regret.
You know, I hate that view once. It's like a blue tick. Profit is blue ticking me when it doesn't respond to my wallet. Look, guys, the market broke above. But I'm expecting a reaction to the upside again here. You say, I don't know.
I think the market is resisting the 5 minute order block.
That's what I'm saying. Ori. This thing
Yeah,
is
the market is resisting the 5 minute order block. There's a valid order block on the 5 minute.
If we fail to break above that order block, it's going down.
So my guy have to take the profit or lock profits, unless he will regret.
How do I lock profits? I need some ways, guys.
Move your stop
Move your stop
loss.
loss.
Move your stop loss above your entries.
Yes, all of them. You can just copy now. Copy that zone.
How do I copy it?
Yeah, you go to that one, and then you can take another one. Make it quick. Fast.
I'll copy it.
No, move it down, Yana, a bit. Give it a down, just above your entry. Yeah, like that, and then you can copy that.
This guy there that is trading live. So I think.
Yeah. The funny thing about this profit looking thing, hence I always wait for price to come and retest, and then that's when I will enter. Because now you can lock your profit, and then price comes, retest that area, and then continue buying.
You see, that's true.
But the thing is, now you're going against the market. That's the thing.
Going against the market. That's what you were saying.
I agree. We are talking about this thing of locking thingy.
Don't trust you anymore now.
Because this one, honestly, this is just a temporary buy.
Yes,
this is a temporary
I
buy.
agree with you, my brother. That is a temporary buy.
Like there's a valid
Because
order block.
the price has to sweep that previous high low. If you can check the daily time frame,
There's a low, strong low.
there's a high low strong zone there that the price must sweep, and then after that we are going to look for a buy.
Yeah, there's a strong low. There's a liquidity.
You can't look for buys right now.
Yes, we can't look for buys right now.
We can't look for price now. The market have to grab the liquidity first.
You have to cut the stop losses. You guys are not encouraging me. You were saying it's working well with the buy. Now you're saying no. I cut it out.
No,
We didn't say it works well. We say secure your profits. We said
that's all we say.
Wait, how do you?
That's all we say.
Stop loss. Yes,
Secure-
somebody mentioned that to me. Somebody.
Secure your profit. Zap.
My brother, can you switch on a 4 hour time frame on your MT5? I just want to show you something. The reason I'm saying this is a short term buy.
even the 4 hour. This is a 4-hour machine.
This is a 4 hour.
Yeah, you see that.
You see that previous hollow liquidity
Previous low, the previous low.
down there.
The previous low.
No, on your left side. On the
11th of June.
On the 11th of June, yes.
11th of is June or
Yes.
January?
Yes,
of June,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, it's
Right
correct.
there, right?
11th of June. 11th of June.
Yeah,
Yes.
there's a strong low there.
Okay.
I heard you be like Sansa, like you first explain that there's a strong price action have to take place because like there's a double bottom, but like the market have to grab liquidity first before it buys.
Before we look for buys, yes.
Remember, the market goes from liquidity point to liquidity point. That's
Yeah.
where take stop
Yeah.
loss and take profits are.
Especially gold move from zone to zone.
Yeah.
Hey, the
That's
price
what I
has
was trying to explain. Or especially if you check on 4 hours,
yes.
there's no huge move that can happen without liquidity grab on 4 hours.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
Exactly.
Hence, I'm saying, or if you're looking for buys now, at least wait for price to approach 40.24.
Yeah, 40.24 have to break 40.24 with the
It's either it breaks it, and then we expect gold to continue selling.
Exactly.
Now-
yes.
If it
For
breaks,
now-
we expect it to continue to we expect market to buy.
Exactly.
Or it will break and retest that level and continue it sells.
But
If
then
it gets
again,
to that zone,
for me,
the zone we are looking at now, which is what Inga just put 40.22 there, which is the low. But my zone is actually 40.35 to 40.25. That's whole block there. If the market goes into that zone and rejects and buys from there, expect us to go up to like we're going to cross 41.70. We're going there to 41.70.
yeah. So for me, that's what I'm looking for. Like I've been selling since. I've been like
We've been selling.
We
You said you
were
were
still holding the sales. And you are still holding the sales.
Yes. So for me, as soon as I understood that concept of gold, this is how it moves from, especially on 4 hours. You don't need too many time frames. Look at 4 hours.
Too many time frames. You just go to a daily time frame.
Yes.
Yeah, just go to a daily time frame, 4 hour, and then you like a 1 hour time frame. Like everything is clear.
And one thing that saved me a lot. You need to check the order flow. Have you realized now for this past week from the 17th, it has been giving us a break of structure. Like it will break and retest on where it break off on the next line.
On the 17th, like of June, like gold took took the liquidity, just grabbed the liquidity off the strong highs, and then it started to sell hard, and then giving us the break of structure and continue sell, give us the break of structure and continue sell.
17th of June that you just mentioned was the market was almost approaching the high there. Then
it broke.
Then there was an FOMC, which is the news, which is reaction before the news. Then there was a reaction with the news that dropped. Then now after the news, there was a pullback, which is the reaction after the news. That was which is a sweep. That was where I sold from.
Yeah, I also sold that. Just that I'm not a swing trade. If I was a swing trader, I would still be in a long-term sell, even now. So
we are swing traders. We are talking to swing traders. Yeah,
that's the reason.
But
that's the reason you're saying the market is going to grab liquidity.
But then, guys, remember, this thing is the same. Whether you are scalping or you are a day trader, the concept is still the same. Because even if you check, there's a time where gold, when it grabs your 15 minutes liquidity, it will run. Even now, I'll tell you about a point where it grabbed your 15 minutes liquidity, and then from there it went all the way down. If you go on the 18th, around New York session, 15:45, Do you see how now price came, grabbed liquidity there, and then it went all the way down there?
Exactly.
So the concept is still the same.
Hi
Just
guys.
that the order flow changes. Because if you check now, they don't go for 15 minutes liquidity. They'll just go for the order block, or they
Order
go
block,
for the golden zone. It's either they'll go for the 61.8% of that structure, or they'll go for the liquidity grab. So they're just playing with you. Just that you need to come identify the order flow for the day.
Exactly.
So once you understand the order flow, because now, let me tell you, for now, if you go on 15 minutes and go on each and every order block that is responsible for breaking structure, you wait for each and every order block that has a break of structure. That's where they went and retested that area. Check the sell that happened yesterday. Yesterday around 6:30. That's actually where I got my sell. It was the order block that was responsible for giving us a break of structure, which is on the 15 minute.
That same order block is also an important zone, which was also a premium zone. Now the price went back and break below the equilibrium zone, went to discount today. Now went back to equilibrium to gather, to take more liquidity again, to continue to go down.
Exactly. So these things, man, are easy. Like, to be honest, but then it took me like 4 years.
It's not easy. It's easy for you. No. It's easy for you because you have broken the knowledge. There's a level of knowledge that you break.
No, remember, it took me like 4 years to like discover.
Exactly. It's not easy.
Not 2 years.
It's not easy, man. It's not easy.
But then it's easy. Like.
No. It's not easy. Do you know what I'm saying? It's not easy. You are speaking. No, it's not easy.
It's easy when you have found maybe a man who is going to teach you about liquidity and supply demand.
Nah. It's not just the mentor, guys. It's not just the mentor. You are
psychology
speaking to someone,
plays a big role.
You are speaking to someone. You are speaking to someone who never learned with a mentor. Hold on, guys. Listen. The thing is this. One major thing that I've known from gathering experience trading is, you see chat experience, you see your chat time, your screen time, the amount of time you spend on the screen is very important. So when we look at that, it's now broken down into how do you spend that time and what do you do when you spend that time.
Exactly.
Because I'm not going to lie to you, a lot of people wake up every morning or when they come back from work or whenever they have the time to look at the chart, they look at the chart, but maybe the amount of time they spend on the chart is the reason why they don't, because the market, the price that you see that is printed on the chart, all you need to do is just to synchronize it. Because remember, it's printing, it trends up, bullish, it ranges, then it goes bearish, or it goes bearish, it range, then it goes bullish. So all you need to do is just to synchronize it.
But then it's easy. Once you see what you see now, like the things that needs to be seen there on the chart. I got that this thing is printing moves. Once you see those patterns that happens, like you back test, it's been happening for years. Like you see Raman.
Not to back test. I believe more in forward test, because back testing cannot guarantee you future results. So you forward test, then you come up with an edge, you put your edge to test and all that. But at the same time, you need to see the right things on the chart. And another thing again is to filter the noise. The moment you can filter the noise, because when you look at the screen, there's a lot of noise. There are actually zones where you need to trade from.
Hence I'm saying, for me, the point I realized that, okay, I need to focus on certain zones, not all zones. Like for me, I used to mark every order block until I realized, there are specific blocks, which I call the major key levels, that I actually need to pay attention to these zones. And once you see price breaking those zones, just know that it's either your
it's two things there. The moment you're mentioning a zone now, let me just put these two things. It's either price reject or react from the zone.
Yeah, but then remember, not every zone, Pella, not every zone will count. For me, I call them institutional zones. So that's
Okay.
where
Okay.
I would
Yeah,
say
institutional zone.
most orders are being dumped on. Hence, you see when price comes to that area, it will be protected in most cases. So if you are trading from those areas, you will be right most of the time. I'm not saying
Eh,
all the times, but
eh,
most of the times you'll be right.
Yes, yes. Zones are very important, but the important zones. Also, like you're mentioning the institutional zones, I use what we call the institutional candle. There are candles you see, most of them might be the Mariboso candles. Like this one we're looking on Inga's screen here, the 4 hour candle. You see that green one that went up and market traded and ranged, then the red one came. That's a change of direction there. A lot of people will say, no, no. You can see what the market is telling you there. It's printed there. It's bearish.
So now I'm expecting a huge spike to the downside now.
You see. But on a 1 hour, I mean, what is this 15 minutes?
The reason why I'm saying I'm expecting, because we don't have a strong high. All we have like weak. Because now we went up, retested that zone that we broke, and then price came down. So if we had a change of character, I would say we're expecting a buy here. But then for the fact that we don't have any change of character from your from your 15 to your 1 hour, I would expect price to do what? To drop still.
To continue to go down.
Yeah. That's according to my analysis. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen. This is what I'm looking at.
Yeah, but sometimes you have to trust your strategy.
No. Hence I'm still saying from where I'm sitting, my take profit it's 40.24. Otherwise, it will be break even.
Yes. That is the right point to take TP down there. Right point.
And the problem of a lot of traders, like, they like to confirm
Because
the market.
the price has to sweep that 4,000 and
to 10, that 424, that 4024.
And then after that, we just going to wait and see how the market reacts. But if it decides to sweep
and retest the zone, it will continue sell, or it will, after creating the liquidity, it will continue buying. It will start buying.
But I don't like this 15-minute structure here.
Yes, I also saw that. That's what I saw earlier.
Because for me,
just go to the 1 hour. Everything is clear on the 1 hour.
Yeah, but then for me, what I wanted was that to create an internal change of character. Like it should give us a change of character, internal 15 minutes change of character. Because now what we have is an internal 15 minutes change of character to the upside, which is still making buys valid for this zone actually.
For this zone, exactly.
Yeah.
Because the price is sitting in that zone. So
anything that's what I'm saying.
Anything that if the bulls pushes the price back above to where we are coming from, then it's a confirmation. Maybe the double bottom will be validated, because there's a double bottom on 15, there's a double bottom on 1 hour, there's a double bottom on 4 hour. So it needs to break. It needs to break below and go below this whole zone here.
Yeah, so I think I'll just move my take profit to just above where price currently is at now, because I'm seeing danger. Actually, I'm seeing danger. And it seems like that momentum is coming in now. See. Ha!
I know there are some stop losses down there, and the price has to hit those stop losses and grab the liquidity.
Yeah. We are not out of the woods yet. As sellers, we are not out of the woods yet, because we still have this. What's this? 40-50. We need a proper close below that area. So if you don't get it close there, chances are we might still buy.
Like as you say, not every zone.
But still, even if we close below, chances of price going up there and retesting that area up there, it's still like chances. No, let me not lie.
But sometimes, guys, you must not confirm the market too much. Not
You're
every
right.
zone.
Right.
Yeah,
You're
not,
right.
not every zone is important to mark. Not every zone the market will react to.
No. This one is very valid, eh? This one.
Yeah,
this one is a strong
the last
zone.
one is the one we're talking about where the
The
liquidity
buyers are playing a dangerous game, guys.
Buyers must chill, bro. If I was a buyer, I would just chill. Otherwise, I'm donating the
me
rest of
too.
the
The
market.
buyers are playing a dangerous game.
They
Bruh,
start looking for the price.
If you look at my photo right now,
after 4024.
so to be honest, for me to consider buys, I need liquidity grab below 40.24.
Exactly.
I need a strong change of character on 1 hour, going to 4 hours to consider buys.
I agree with you, man.
I agree.
No, bruh.
I've been holding
Let me
sales
tell
from
you
yesterday.
something. Let me tell you something.
We're not fighting with the buyers, but we are respecting the liquidity.
I agree. We are just having a nice chat. For me, I know everything that I have to do in order for me not to lose. So I've mastered each and every single way of losing money.
Exactly.
So all my losses, I've documented all those losses. I know I've lost here because I didn't wait for this. I've lost here because I didn't do this. Most people, they don't realize the importance of journaling your trades. And you go back and look into the zones that you took those losses from, and then you realize that, oh, here I should have waited for this and this.
Yeah, that
So
was why
journaling is
you
very
saw
important.
earlier. That was why I was saying to Inga earlier that I need to wait for confirmation.
Confirmations are very important.
Yeah,
I
a lot of people.
I
hear
even
the
told
word
him like the other time, like, bruh, now I always wait for confirmation. Patience. If you don't have patience, and if you don't see liquidity,
whatever strategy you trade, you must apply confirmations to whatever trade you want to take.
Exactly, my brother.
and one thing I've adopted now, it's if you don't see liquidity, just know you're the liquidity.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.